another day. Sobrang init, sobrang boring, sobrang tahimik. Actually, andito po ako ngayon sa work ko sa Serenity Restaurant. Napaka-boring dito sa lugar na to, guys, you know. Kasi napaka-layo sa syudad and newly developed actually. So, yung cafe pa lang namin, tsaka yung Nobo yung bukas dito. And this is our place. Diba? Ginagawa pa lang siya actually. Kaya, sobrang boring. And also, wala pang masyadong tao kasi newly developed tong lugar na to. Kaya, we need to invite some people to visit our Serenity Cafe also. Kung gusto nyo ng malayong lugar at tahimik at malayo sa kabihasnan, pumunta po kayo dito sa Serenity Restaurant. And makaka-relax kayo sa malayong lugar. Char. Anyways, guys, so today is another day again. Wala naman masyadong ganap actually kasi ganito lang din dito. Araw-araw ganito lang yung nangyayari sa akin. Anyways, it's like boring everyday. Yung papasok ka ng ganito, sobrang init. As in, wala kang nakikitang tao, wala pang masyadong tao kasi hindi pa siya fully developed. And, of course, it's not good also because we don't have sales actually. Because people still not notice our cafe. But inshallah, we will see next month, next week, next year. Inshallah, people come and visit our cafe also. But kung gusto nyo rin pumunta dito, you can visit us also. Kung gusto nyo din akong makita, but pwede naman po. So, this is my video for today's. I hope you will visit here, guys. Bye!